Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 22nd of September. And first of all, national news. GST 2.0 individual health insurance premiums to be GST free from today. Decorate every shop with Swadeshi. PM Modi on eve of GST implementation. Prioritize manufacturing atmosphere for investment, PM Modi's message for states. GST Bachat Utsav begin on day 1 of Navratri, PM Modi on GST reforms. Rat on board, Indigo flight delayed by 3 hours at Kanpur airport. Now international news. US demanded that media sign 10 pays agreement to access military information. Killing reputation, Trump publicly urged US Justice Department to charge his enemies. NASA confirmed discovery of 6,000 exoplanets beyond our solar system. Now sports news. Pakistan planning political messes after Asia Cup Super 4 clash against India, a report said. Clinical India under 19 thump Australia under 18 by 7 wickets in first youth ODI. Iga Swiatek recovered from slow start to win Korea Open title. Saurabh Ganguly set for dramatic return to India cricket as CAB president. Now news related to business. GST rate cut kicks in from September 22. Goods and services to become cheaper. H-1B restrictions impact last minute booking from India to US surge. Make my trip. And that's all in news. Thank you.